Right, we got the best two deals at the Lowe's. We got a huge clearance section to show you guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more tool review videos, so we can get more deals out there for you guys. Yes, let's go ahead and get started. This is a clearance section. They got a bunch of furniture on clearance because they're trying to get everything out. You got the axle blower, $99, battery and charger included on this blower. Remember, guys, try to get at least 400 CFM or above. It's pretty decent for a medium-sized yard, but if if something like that I just showed you, that's for a smaller yard or just some blow some grass clippings off the sidewalk. That's basically it with these smaller ones. You got a chainsaw there, and then you got a Nexus power station. I believe this one does include batteries, so this one's just under $1,000. It's $100 off. So yeah, there are some that do not include batteries. Got the job site radio. This is one of the newer tools out there for the Cobalts. So this is $149. You got the landscaper muffs, $41 down from $60. It is compatible with some iTunes or something like that. So $37 down from $140. That's actually a dang good deal, guys, on these. So yeah, maybe you can price match that deal. But yeah, that's a really good deal for that weed eater. This one does include 2 plates, just to let you know. They are not the biggest plates, but they're pretty nice. But it does include 2. All right, we got a huge clearance section here. I got a lot to show you guys. You got a professional 5-in-1 ladder from Warner. This one's $129 down from $189. Not bad at all. Ladder rack work platform. This one's $54 down from $79. These are pretty good if you're gonna be on that ladder all the time. So might as well have other comfort, $49.98 for a spotlight. 1,000 lumen hybrid light. It is. That one does have a rechargeable battery, I believe. Not this one, but the previous one. You got a floating lantern. This one's $12. You got a 3M hard hat. Now this one's $8.97 down from $22.48. It's actually not a bad deal on that one. There's a few of them going around on clearance because they're putting new stuff in. Solar wall lights, $14 down from $24, I believe. It is 1,000 lumen, and it's no batteries, no wires, no weather resistant. So they last a few years. They're not gonna last forever, but you know how that is. Anything that sits out on the sun, on the weather, it's gonna degrade over time. All right, so hard hat there again. We saw that light. Got the large shelf, fast track trail. This is $31 down from $44. So great for the garages, organizers, and all that stuff. Shelf bracket. I personally like the shelves, the bigger, the one that goes on the floor. But sometimes we don't have the space. We just have a wall we can hang the stuff on, and that's where that comes in. You got $199 down from $229 versus Stack 4-2 combo kit. I does not say it's brushless. I believe it's not brushless. This one's $847 down from $9. This is actually not a bad deal for this iChalk reel. 100-footer. You got a Smart Tech HGR 1000. So my guess is a 1,000 lumen. It's $20. It says it's rechargeable. Guys, we got a generator. Yes, we got a great deal on this generator. I did not buy it, but because I already have one. But check this out. It's about almost 50% off on this one. 12,500 watts. Dual fuel generator. This is a big boy. This is a our-house generator here. Now we got the wheel kit there on the top. It is Westinghouse. You guys know Westinghouse has been around for a while. You got a dual fuel. It says gasoline. You do have a switch there for gas and propane. So you guys do see this is always a plus. You guys know propane is the cleanest, one of the cleanest. You got a stop engine start. You got a bunch of accessories here. Watt meter and all that stuff. A 30 amp plug, and then RV plug there. So yeah, a bunch of stuff. It does have an integrated battery. It does have a pull start as well, and that is the hose for the gas. This one's on clearance. This is actually a toolbox. $4.39. These are gonna be, you guys. It's gonna be toolbox season. Remember, guys. You guys know what that means if you guys been around on this channel. You know, toolboxes for cheap. I mean, really, really good deals on these. I ended up getting what was a 52-inch toolbox for like $200. It was crazy, but they are around. I mean, they will come around because the new models are kicking in, you know, for next year. But yeah, this is an example, and this is another example here. This one's 701 on clearance, 779. You guys know this bad boy is gonna go down even lower. So this is a really nice toolbox. The deep drawers, nice self-closing, like always. Deep drawer on the bottom. All right, so this one's on clearance as well. This is a 9-in-1 screwdriver. This is $987. You got this one. This is a double drive screwdriver. This is $957. Bunch of these, yeah, they're going out on clearance because a bunch of these are gonna get replaced with the, you know, with the holiday deals and all that stuff, because they're gonna have a whole bunch of new ones coming out. Carton cutter, 98 was $298, and then we got this one's $10.97 down from $12.98. Fiskars Pro folding utility knife. This is actually not a bad deal on this one. A good quality knife. Industries, you got $8.97, $19.90 Bulldog snips. From Tough Built. This I was just about to get this, but I don't know. But yeah, it's a really good deal on that one. There was 3 more on that one, on the Tough Built. Got the carpet knife. Now this one, let's see here. Yeah, this one did have like I said, there was 2 more up above. On this one, there was this one, but there was already there was one on this. And the other one was sold out. So this was $9, went down from 24. A 24-inch, and then we got the stick welder, 16 gauge and heavier metals, $321. So that's a pretty good deal on this. And then we have this one. This one's a cut welder kit at $211, down from $249. And excuse the noise again. We just, you know, we got a machine working on the back there. We got a welding helmet, accessories. And this is one's $106, down from $125. Yeah. Pretty nice. It's an all-in-one kit. Guys, I heard that there's some clearance saws on these. Or clearance deals on these saws. I don't know exactly. Let us know in the comment section if you guys heard of anything. Or if you guys bought anything. That's a pretty good deal, including any of these products on this store. Alright, so we got a 10-inch table saw, $209. This one was $229, looks like. Not bad at all. You gotta get this. This is a buy one get one free, so you get a free battery with the purchase of any of these kits. Obviously, the one that I would definitely go with is this brushless RP one, the 2-tool combo kit. Try to go brushless if you can. If you can't afford it, you know, something like this is fine, but yeah, try to go brushless. That's the best way to do it. It's just cleaner, just a cleaner tool, basically. It's more powerful. And this is the RP, the brushless RP. Top of the line. You got another brushless RP outdoor kit here. A weed whacker and a blower. And then we got this buy one get one free. So you buy this 6 feet aluminum step ladder, you get a 2 feet at 50% off. So you get this combo kit. This one does go. And then you got the buy one get one free for the cold bolts. This is a pole saw for $159. And then you got this starter kit with the 2 4-amp-hour batteries for $149. It's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. This is $149. You get yourself a free tool. Circular saw, one-handed reciprocating saw. There's a lot of tools to choose from. I'll show you guys the overall look on this because, yeah, like I said, there's a lot. I guess one of the radios is available for a hack as well. So you can buy any of these for $149, I guess. That's what it says right there. And then you get one of these tools on the right for free. So basically, angle grinder, circular saw, oscillating tool. Same with these guys. You buy any of the tools, you get, I believe, a battery or starter kit for free. Yep, there you go. That's what you get for free. 5-amp-hour battery and looks like a 3. So good deals on those. And yeah, guys, this is a new flagship model for the DeWalt's. you guys want to see that tool in action with some versus videos with some other tools, make sure you can check out my channel, because I have a whole bunch of versus videos with, you know, with other brands, you know, the red, the yellows, the greens, whatever. $12.98 to 32-piece screwdriver bit sets. This is actually not bad. 2-inch bits. You got a bit holder there to the right. Some 1-inch bits there on the top. Some Robertsons and some. All right, so you got the buy one get one free as well. But these are RP, guys. These are RP brushless tools. Definitely recommend these. The angle grinder, the router, the impact wrench, the oscillating tool is pretty nice. Like I always say, that is the kit you have to buy, and then you get yourself a nice brushless tool. I guess no brushless. Brushless is brushless, the best. All right, so buy one get one free as well with these. These are top of the line tools, by the way, from DeWalt's. You got a 5 amp hour power stack. Those are the new batteries for $279 starter kit. You get yourself a free tool. And then yeah, there's more over here. There's another section. One of the ones is the light, guys. If you guys, you know, have yellow and you want to dream to get that rocket light, well, there you go. This is your time. This is the time to get it. And a good deal for you guys. All right, so this is another another section of the cobalts. This is just another overall look for the tools you guys can get for free. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. You guys have a great weekend. Let us know in the comment section if you guys got any of these tools, if you guys got any of those great deals on the past. Let us know. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting that like and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.